Hindi naman siya super perfect, may mga imperfections din, but we are trying to make it a better piece day by day. Hello Class Nation! This is Beno Peña, and today, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung kaduet ko kasi I'm paired up with Kuya John Rex, Season 4 Grand Champion ng The Clash. So, at first, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung ginagawa ko dun. Nung pagpasok ko dun sa rehearsal room, si Miss Jai lang talaga yung nakita ko that day. Tapos nakita ko nasa likod ko na si Kuya John Rex, and siya pala yung makakaduet ko for this round. So ayun, sobrang laking pressure po. Kasi isang performance, isang kanta lang po yung kakantahin yung dalawa, and yung magiging kaduet ko pa is super artista na po talaga, and ako nagsisimula pa lang. So super laking pressure niya, at the same time super laking excitement kasi artista na yun eh. Si Kuya John Rex na yun. Sino pa bang hindi for that? Our rehearsal went well. Hindi naman siya super perfect. May mga imperfections din, but we are trying to make it a better piece day by day. So ayun, nakakaya na naman na i-retain yung mga dapat gawin for that performance. So, tignan na lang natin kung anong magiging kakalabasan ng performance namin this next round sa round 3 po. Again, this is Beno Peña, at abangan nyo kami ni Kuya John Rex sa round 3 ng The Clash Teens. Isa laban sa lahat!